Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick review on this Compliments garden salad. Now this was on sale, this is usually why I get this, but it's really good to have something like this if you're really rushed for time. So what I might actually do is put this in my stew that I had made last night. This is just a turkey with a little bit of tomato for the base. It's like a chili. There's beans in there and chickpeas. So I'm going to use this and put it in there because this is left over and want to add something fresh to it. So that's what I'm going to be using. Alright, there it is going in my stew. I'm going to add some extra herbs that I have in my AeroGarden. As you can see, it's growing like a weed right now. So I'm going to add some of those in there. And yeah, it's all done. As you can see, it's a lot more heartier with all the extra veggies in there. Put a little bit of dill in there. So let's do a quick taste test. It just brings it up a notch. It's actually quite good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.